Hello, it's Liz from Old Stables Crafts, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK and across Europe. And it's Simple Stamping Saturday again. I cannot believe how quickly time flies at the moment. We've only got 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks of celebration left, which is madness. Anyway, Simple Stamping Saturday, one project, 3 ways, starting with a really simple single layer card and then stepping it up a bit. Using Sweets and Treats, this is actually the stamp set that we are using at our virtual retreat, our team virtual retreat, which is tomorrow. So excited about that. I'm almost ready at the point where I'm filming this video. So let me show you the project that I'm sharing with you today, which is this couple of little cupcakes. Any way you slice it, I'm thankful for you. And a little cupcake on the outside of the envelope, because we always decorate the envelopes for Simple Stamping Saturday. Memento Tuxedo Black, watercolour pencils, Melon Mambo, which I haven't used for a long while, is my pink, and I'm using that because this is Melon Mambo watercolour pencil. So let me show you how this is made. Here's my white note card. So let me move things around so I can get everything stamped. I need to start with the cake stand. So we're going to stamp that towards the bottom, but not right at the bottom. So here is my crease. So I want it probably about there. Almost straight, I think. Such a strange thing never happened in my life. And then a couple of cupcakes, and I like to line the bottom of my cupcake up with the top of the cake stand. You could have it up a bit, perfectly up to you. Overlapping is not good. I meant overlapping cupcakes, not good. I've got black on me, so this could be interesting. Don't need the black anymore, so we'll pop that away, and I'm going to just very quickly clean off my stamp and my thumb. I feel that's a bit better, and while I've got this out, I'm going to grab my envelope and stamp my cupcake. That's the top of my envelope there, bottom of my envelope there. Now on the first one I moved that around with the blender brush. I'm not going to this time, just for a change, so you can see the difference. And then any way you slice it, I'm thankful for you. Just below the cake stand, which is very crooked. I do apologise for that. Anyway, I am going to quickly clean my stamps because, as you can see, they are getting stained from the ink. It is a clean dirt, not a dirty dirt. It is a stain, more or less. They are, yeah, clean now. So, colouring. That is so crooked. Sorry. I've got basic grey watercolour pencil. This is from the first collection of watercolour pencils. All 3 of these are. We have 2 selections. One rather cleverly called Watercolour Pencil Collection 2, and the other I think is just called Watercolour Pencils, but I think they are something original like Collection 1 and Collection 2. Let me have a quick look. Oh, and these Sweets and Treats is from the mini catalogue. Watercolour pencils 1, 2, 6. They are called Watercolour Pencils Assortment 1 and Assortment 2. Like I said, really original names for those. And the Sweets and Treats are in the mini catalogue, and they're on page 11. So there we are, page 11. So this is the Sweets and Treats. And it also coordinates with the cloche dies. There is a set of stamps that go that bundles with the cloche dies, but this goes with it as well, so you can get 2 stamp sets to go with 1 set of dies. which is always good. And do remember, we have, did I say? I think I did. We have less than 3 weeks left of celebration. So A, that's when you get free stuff for shopping. And B, you want more free stuff? Join my team. How many times do I have to say, join my team? You get for £99 or 125 euros. So this is what Melon Mambo. So yes, £99 or 125 euros. You get up to £130 or 179 euros of goodies that you choose. Plus, you get to choose one of 12 bundles in the new mini catalogue. One of those bundles is worth over £55 or 72 euros. So you get a huge amount just for £99, and there's no shipping. And if you want to do this as a business, which you do not have to, you get a basic business supply kit as well. All for £99 or 125 euros, no shipping. And if you decide it's not for you, it's not a problem. You just keep everything you've purchased, and that's good. But make the most of the deal. It's amazing. The deal is always amazing, but during celebration, it is fantastic. And then you get to choose any of you, that's wrong. Sorry, then you get to purchase at a discount of, this is a blender pen, at a discount of a minimum of £20, my brain, before tax. So they net down the tax. Obviously it's different in each of the European countries, but yes, 20% discount, that's the basic commission. You can earn over 30% commission if you were to run this as a business. Eek! So yeah, so I'm literally just rubbing this gently over the watercolour pencil. Don't concentrate on one area for too long, or you will break down the fibres of the card, because this is wet, and wet doesn't go well with ordinary card. It goes great with watercolour paper, but not with standard card. But can you see that it actually changes colour slightly, so it becomes much nearer to the Melon Mambo when you move it around with your blender pen. Now, if you were to stamp with StazOn on watercolour paper, you could then use your watercolour pencils and a water brush. So that is another option if you want to use StazOn. Personally, I wouldn't use StazOn with photopolymer, but it's choice, personal choice. Right, so fold that in half. I have said it before and I will say it again. Bone folder, worth every penny, and they're not expensive. So that is our quick and easy card. Then to step it up, still in Melon Mambo with blends this time, and I've coloured some rhinestones with blends. Then this is some of the free paper from the hand-penned paper in the Celebration catalogue, free with a qualifying order, and then I've just used the sentiment on the inside on basic black, and the matte is Melon Mambo as well. This time it's fresh freesia, and I've done some blending with blender brushes in the background. Again, blender pens, fussy cutting, little bit of Wink of Stella, same paper, a bit of the bedazzling coloured with a stamping blend, and again stamped on the inside. So there we go, quick and easy, stepped up even more. So let me know in the comments below which one you prefer, and I hope you enjoy that. Have a fantastic weekend. I will be on holiday next week, but I will still be posting content. I'm just having a bit of a break, and I will see you all again recorded next week and live probably the week after next, maybe into the middle of the week after next. But yeah, just need a bit of a break. So thank you very much indeed for joining me today. Do remember to give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed that. If you don't already subscribe, there's a subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Thank you very much, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.